Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's Amazon. If it's Amazon, my affiliate link will be down in the description. And if it's a website, that will also be in the description. Why is that fly flying around? Oh, yeah. Did I get him? I think I got him. Alright, hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We're going to get into this box. Like I said, if it's our website, the link will be down below. Both links are safe to click. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. We shall see what this says. Thank you guys for sending me this for a review. And, ooh, something shiny. Tribit. Oh, yeah. Here we go. StormBox Mini. 12 hours of playtime. 2x6 watt speaker. Superior sound. IPX7 waterproof. Oh, got a little RGB going. This is cool. That'd be a nice back to school. Take on your college dorms, your workouts, or anywhere. Rhythmic night stereo pairing. Left, right, Bluetooth 5.4. Oh boy. Treat yourself. Yeah, definitely check them out. They got the back to school. This is Amazon, so definitely check out my affiliate link and see what other goodies they have to offer. But this is brand new. Just came out. Here we go. It should be easy. Don't need a manual. Got the, hey, where'd it go? USB, typical normal USB. Here we go. Oh. Okay, that's it for that. Signed, sealed, delivered. This is gonna be an easy video. Not too heavy. So, definitely look for some stocking stuffers or give your friend or partner something. Be a nice one. Look at that. RGBs around here, or the rhythmic nights. They got a non-slip. Let's look at this. Unpeel the sticker first. And of course, we'll test it out. Doing the YouTube non-copyrighted video, so that 126 clan or whatever his name is. There we go. Got one done. There we go. See, these are the little guys. Whoa, see, now they ain't going nowhere. Alright. You see how easy it was to slide before? Definitely nice. Okay, here we go. Okay, this, bam. There's the side control. You got the Bluetooth right there. Light mode. Aux. There we go. We got a little QR code everywhere. And we go. Zoom in a little bit. Yeah, these look nice, guys. You have it hanging and banging. And now, time to get the jam on right now. Alright, guys. But this, everybody should know how to access their Bluetooth menu. Here we go. Bluetooth, we got to turn it on first. We could close this up. Power. Ooh. Then go to Bluetooth settings. Let's see what it's going to be called. It should be called Sound Cord Storm. Not that one. Not B8, XO8? Okay, maybe I do need a manual. Apollo. No. I think it's that RY. That's what my guess is going to be, but this is a rare occasion. I'm going to use a manual. Maybe I press Bluetooth. Hold it down. There we go. Shouldn't take me this long. What are you called? There we go. We got the list going. Took a second. Tribit, StormBox Mini. And we want to pair it. Any second. Maybe my tablet's dying. Nice colors. Come on, baby. Connect. Pause. Alright, guys, we are connected. Here we go. Definitely excited now to see how this sounds. Got the logo right there, the Tribit. And now we connect the YouTube. You can connect anything. You could do conference speaking, conference calls, you know, round table discussions. But definitely curious at how this is going to sound. But like I said, I listen to mostly hip hop. Can't play that because that has a lot of copyright. So we'll just test it out with that techno from where did he go? 126 Clan or something like that. Is he gone? Oh, there he is. Yeah, 1261 Clan. Hold on. Okay. Here we go. It goes with the music. That's cool. On the beach night, you know.
So close to where we belong. Now we're trying to go somewhere new.
That's loud.
I wanna make shockwaves with you. Grab the ocean current. Tell the waves about what's been burning. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. And I know I'm only getting higher. Till it feels like that you walk through fire. It'll be okay if you just stay with me. We can run from here and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on.
Have it off. That's full. Table is jamming. I can feel the vibrations. Look at that. So cool. Sounds good, guys. Listen to that. Alright, YouTubers, definitely check them out. Tribit Sound. They do have an app where you could adjust everything. Let me make sure. I think it's what, Soundcore? Or Tribit? Tribit. Let's see if I still have it downloaded. So I got it on my phone, but I'm recording on my phone. Oh, there it is. Yeah, see right here? Tribit. And it's gonna open that up. And you can adjust like the EQ, equalizers and stuff like that. So, and then we could just add it. See, I got the first one, the Soundcore Plus. That sounds amazing. I use that for my soundbar on my computer. It sounds really good. Allow. And then now it's going to search. Should pick up that. I know it's new, but it should pick it up in a second. It's going to find it. Hold up. Okay, guys, it says make sure it's back on pairing mode. And then you're going to hit that. And now it should pick it up. Hopefully. Come on. Don't be shy. Could be my tablet's getting older too, so I might have to upgrade soon on a tablet. But it's probably pick it up right away on my cell phone, so smartphone, whatever you want to call it. Come on. So this is what it's going to do for a second. I just haven't had it pick it up yet. Okay, one more minute. There we go. We got it now. Alright guys, so that is it. Definitely check them out. Like I said, link will be down below. Get it now. Tribit StormBox Mini. Excellent speaker. Be safe. Have a good night.